I'm Untitled Chapter, and in this video I'm going to be going over my solution to the common characters count problem. Swift coding challenge! Yeah! Okay, so the common character count problem, it's a problem where you're given two strings, boom, and you want to write a method that returns the number of common characters between both the strings. So if our first string is AAB, has those letters A, B, A, and the second string has the letters A and B, then we will return 2 because they both have one instance of A and one instance of the letter B. Cool. Now that we have a general idea of what this problem is looking for, how did I solve it? So solving this problem in Swift, there's two things that you need to understand. One, Swift strings have a property on them called characters, which allow you to access which allows you to access the characters of the string as if it was an array of characters. So you have the string dot characters, it gives you the array of characters, and so with that array, then you can iterate through it. So this is where my for each comes in, right? Second thing is, once we have the character that we want to analyze, we want to check to see if that character is even in our second string, right? Because if it's not in there, there's no point in doing anything else. That's it, you know, move on. But if it is in there, then one thing we want to do is, hey, where is it? Where within this string is it actually, right? And we want to find the index of it, because if you remember, we're trying to count the frequency. So it's not enough that it's in the string. We also want to know where it is so that we can remove it from the string, so that when we iterate to our next character, we have a consolidated string with the remaining characters, not including the character we just removed. Okay. And one more thing that might throw some people off in the beginning, if you're new to Swift anyway, shorthand argument names. And so shorthand argument names, you might see a $0 floating around in my solution. You will see a $0 floating around in my solution. What that does is, first of all, that's automatically provided by Swift, and within the closure it allows me to automatically reference the character from that character array that the whole closure is about. It's shorthand argument name because it's pretty convenient, right? I don't need to have my argument names, and because I'm just referencing it to get the index of it, there's no real need to go through the whole process of making your argument name just for that one momentary usage. So I hope you tried out that problem. I hope you understand my solution a little bit better. Hope this video was like helped you get into my brain and understand what was happening. There were a few other ways that I tried to solve it. One way was quite a lot. It was like creating a dictionary of it was not efficient in space. It was not efficient in time. Actually, timing was actually pretty good. Time was still O of n, but space-wise was O of n. With this method, with this solution, O of 1 space, because all we're doing is essentially just creating a new variable. Variables are constants, whatever. And O of n time. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.